It reminds me Melody, so I have a very small haul to do. So I got this builder gel kit. It's supposed to be like a solid, nail glue, which is what is listed under on Amazon, and I wanted to try this one out. So this is the code for it. So this is everything that comes with it. There's this clear builder nail gel non-stick. This is supposed to be a hard one. You're supposed to be able to like sculpt with it and stuff. And then it came with the nail forms. I don't think I have ones like these, which I can't wait to use these. It came with a mini file. I don't have one of these. It's like a little sculpty tool, which I don't have one of these. And then I didn't realize it came with this. So I can't wait to use this. There's different types of flowers. And then there's like roses. So I can't wait to use this one and add it to my collection. That is it for now. So I just got the nail tips in. These are long coffin, but they're actually the same length as these, but these are marked as medium. So these are what they look like. I like the length of them. So they're basically almost the same exact size as these, and these are the same brand, but they're mediums. I like them, they're sturdy. So here I got some base gel from this brand. I like the cat eye gel from this brand, so I wanted to try it out. Everything will be linked down below. And here I have the cuticle nippers and stuff because I needed new ones. I don't know what happened to the ones that I had. Here I'm just showing what they look like and everything. I hope you all have like a happy holidays and a happy new year. I'm gonna finish the voiceover, and at the end of the video I'm showing the cuticle pusher and stuff. It is good. It's like my old ones that I lost. I don't know where they are. They're somewhere in my room. So far I like the fact that these came with a cover. My old ones that I'd gotten from Dollar Tree, they were okay, not that great. They did not have a cover, so it is pretty sharp. I like how this one is round. I gotta clean them. They came dirty. That's the only con to it. But thanks for watching. Bye.